Milwaukee Community Sailing Center. All eyes were on the bottom line during construction of the Milwaukee Community Sailing Center. The project was paid for entirely through private donations and had to be financed in part through sweat equity in the form of volunteers performing work to cut costs. Oliver Construction, HGA, and the rest of the project crew worked with the volunteer-based club to design a building that would work within the group's budget. Sailing group members volunteered throughout the project to try and keep costs down, building benches, painting, and completing other post-occupancy chores. Perched above Lake Michigan, the building now seems like it has always been part of Milwaukee's lakefront.
Milwaukee Community Sailing Center.